Hi, I'm Liam, the content coordinator at YOUKNOW Technologies. Today I'd like to show you how you can use Hootsuite to schedule and upload content. So once we're in Hootsuite, this is what it looks like. As you can see, this is all the content that we've scheduled for the month. And if we go to today, we can see the content that we have scheduled for today specifically. So there are three buttons here to create a post. You can go here, or here. I'm going to click here and I'm going to click post. Now today what I want to be posting is a LinkedIn carousel. So I'm going to go over to here and click YOUKNOW Technologies LinkedIn because that's my desired platform. I'm going to grab my copy from a separate document, paste my copy in the text here, click this little icon at the bottom, upload from my computer. Once I find my file, I open it. And while that's uploading, I'm going to go and deal with this issue right over here. So what is this issue? It says you have unlinked LinkedIn mentions. What that means is that we have all of these ads, but they're not linked to any accounts specifically. So I'm going to go in here and I'm going to find all of the right accounts. Once my content has been uploaded and my copy's been uploaded and I've linked all my mentions, all that's left to do is for me to find a place and a time to upload this. So I'm going to click on schedule for later, and these are all the recommended times that Hootsuite recommends based off of previous content that you've posted. So let's go ahead and choose 12 to 2 p.m. because that seems like a good time. And then you click schedule, and that's all that you need to do basically, and your post is ready to go at 12 p.m. But what if I want to say this as a draft? What if I'm not 100% sure? Well, you can do that over here with that option. But what if you need approval from a team member? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in and I'm going to put my team member right here. And what it'll do, it'll send her a notification letting her know that there is something for her to review. And once she clicks approve, it'll be scheduled. But I'm not going to do that right now. What I'm going to do is go and save this as a draft. And that's it. So now you know how you can use Hootsuite to schedule and post content in advance. Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in seeing more of Hootsuite in action or want to learn more, click the link in the description to book a demo. Thank you. Bye.